Welcome to my tutorial. Today we'll see how we can use Boolean Modifier to create complex objects and structures. Let's add a default cube in the scene using Shift A key. Also add a UV sphere which we will use as an object for Boolean Modifier. Resize the UV sphere using S key and move it in the Z axis using G plus Z key. Switch to the top view using 7 key. From the top view, resize the UV sphere to your desired size. Right click on the UV sphere and apply Shade Smooth. Now click on the cube and go to the Modifiers tab. Here select the Boolean modifier. Using the object dropper, select UV sphere. Now to see it in action, let's hide the UV sphere from the viewport. As you can see, because of the Boolean modifier, the cube has a hole of the shape of the UV sphere. This is because by default, the Boolean modifier uses the difference option as shown in the modifiers tab. Let's change it to a union option and it will combine both of these objects. Now, if we change it to intersect, we can see it will show only the common parts of both the objects. Here is another example. Now we have our default cube object and multiple UV spheres which are joined using Ctrl J key to form a single complex object. One thing to be noted here is that none of these UV spheres are in touch with each other. Also, we have already applied the Boolean modifier on our default cube object. Let's duplicate these objects using Shift E key and move it along the Y-axis using G plus Y keys. Again, create another duplicate of these objects. Now, one by one, hide these sphere objects. Select the first cube and hide the first sphere object. Select the second cube and choose the union option from the modifiers tab and then hide the second sphere object from the scene collection. Next, select the third cube and choose the intersect option from the modifiers tab and then hide the third sphere object from the scene collection. Switch to the material view. Now we can see all the three options of Boolean modifiers in action. This is how you can use Boolean modifier to create any complex designs and shapes for your 3D modeling projects in Blender. I hope you must have learned something useful from this tutorial. Please do like this video and also check out my other step-by-step tutorials on my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more amazing video lessons in future. Thanks and see you in my next tutorial soon.